Welcome back to the channel. Today I am reviewing FydeOS, one of the cleanest and fastest ChromeOS based operating system available right now. If you want a lightweight OS that support Android apps, Linux apps and run great almost any hardware, stay tuned. I will review this FydeOS. FydeOS is a ChromeOS fork designed for regular PC and laptops. It's give you the same clean UI, fast boot time and cloud powered experience that ChromeOS offer, but without needing a Chromebook. The best part, FydeOS support Android apps, Linux apps with full Chrome environment, and it's optimized for low-end hardware. Okay, let's talk about the installation experience. Installing FydeOS is easy. You can flash the ISO using tool called Rufus and Blazer and boot straight from USB. The setup is similar to OS. Sign with FydeOS Google account, connect Wi-Fi and you are ready to go. It supports dual boots many devices, which is perfect. You don't want to replace Windows fully. Okay, user interface and performance. FydeOS is look extremely clean, almost identical to Chrome OS. This UI is smooth animation and fluid. Everything feels modern because it's lightweight and performance are great. Even the older laptops boot time under 10 seconds, and most SSD device apps open lightning fast, and OS is representative responsive even with multiple tabs running. Okay, let's talk about Android support. One of the biggest advantages of FydeOS is native Android app support. You can access the FydeOS App Store where you can install most Android apps like TikTok, Instagram, PUBG Mobile and many more. Performance depends on hardware, but mid-range device gaming is surprisingly smooth. For productivity like Google Docs, Canva and Telegram, everything works flawlessly. Let's talk about Linux app support. If you are a developer or want advanced tools, FydeOS apps Linux container mode, you can install apps like GS mode, GIMP, Python tools, Linux terminal utilities. This makes FydeOS more powerful than ChromeOS. Many users Linux apps run decently well, through the performance varies depending on your RAM and processor. Let's talk about privacy and limitation. FydeOS is a cloud connected, so privacy is something to consider. You may create FydeOS account for full features. You also Android apps running Google Play services workarounds. Since Play Store is not official in all version, offline usage decent, but OS is clearly designed for cloud first workflow. Okay, who is FydeOS for? FydeOS for ideal for students, low-end laptop user, people who want to Android apps on a PC, and developments who want to Linux and Chrome OS combo. Fans of fast minimal OS setup. If you want a heavy desktop software like Premiere Pro and Blender, this is not for you. Final verdict. Okay, FydeOS is clean, fast and versatile ChromeOS alternative that brings power to Android to Linux almost any laptop, perfect for browsing, media study and everyday use. If you want a modern OS without hardware limits and ChromeOS 8, FydeOS is definitely worth trying. Let's talk about personally. I love this FydeOS very much and it is very lightweight and very responsive. So if you want to try a Android OS on your system, you can definitely try this FydeOS. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.